Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. And we got the answer to who was going to win the battle, in the battle just between this sideways channel that had been forming. And it was looking like the bulls had a great chance of winning. I mean, it gapped up this morning, went right up there, and I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. Literally got rejected right at that red line, which I talked about on Tuesday. And then from that point, all the way down here to the bottom portion of the channel, and then just kept on bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. So yeah, the bears got the victory today. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line now. It served its purpose. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere we look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. But, you know, the first big update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting. And that rule just states that when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, which should give some credit where credit's due, as nasty as today was, late day, there is some upwards movement. So if this upwards movement is going to try to build into anything bigger, then yeah, that first big test is right up here, is at $18. And the question just becomes, all right, if the price can't get back up there, is it going to have enough power and, you know, enough continuation strength to be able to push above that level? So $18 definitely going to be the very important level of resistance headed into not necessarily just Thursday, but for the foreseeable future. On the flip side of things, two main areas of support stand out. First level, nothing fancy or complicated behind it, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today right there around 1625. So 1625 for that reason and that reason alone is going to be that initial level. And then next key level of support would be down here right around the gap close location at the $15 mark. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, all in all, pretty brutal day from the, as far as the bulls are concerned, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.